Every time I think I gotta go, cause if you seek then you gotta know, bitches they only care about the flow, come on, you know how the story go. This the shit that never run and they always pretending, acting kinda sinning. They mind what I'm bending, just imagine like Lennon that we living like long division. My vision is risen, shout out my homie in prison, shit is deeper than...
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be recreating this look by James Charles. Let's get into it. So I started off by using a yellow shade from the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. It took me a while to get the pigmentation that I wanted, but we get there in the end. I then started to use this red colour to obviously do the red and create a bit of orange in between the yellow and the red. I then started to use this pinky shade above the red in the palette just to have a transition before we go into the purple. When I use the purple, I try to create a bit of a flick at the end, very gradually. And then I just went in to blend it all out together. Then I just cut the crease, put some sellotape on just for a sharper edge, and did my liner. And then we move on to the white outline. This was quite difficult, and you'll see in a minute I messed up. This NYX liner isn't the best, it does crack quite a bit, so it was kind of difficult. And then I just went along the edge of my black liner and joined up the two lines. I took off the tape and I used that purple shade again, just parallel to where I put it before. I tried to make this a bit more intense, and then I went in with the light blue shade into the inner corners. It did look a bit messy, but then I blended it in with a darker blue shade and a white eyeshadow in the crease. I then highlighted my brow bone and the inner corners, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos from me. Hope you guys have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next one.